So now we are going to talk about what are rational and irrational numbers. So we have this question that is given to us to identify which are the irrational numbers in the given list. We'll first talk about what rational and irrational numbers are, and then we will go through each of these examples one by one to understand how to identify irrational numbers. Right, so irrational numbers. So to understand irrational, let's first talk about what is rational. So rational numbers are numbers that are either integers or that can be written as a ratio of two integers. For example, 1 is a rational number, it is an integer. Or half is a rational number because it is 1 divided by 2. Or any number that you can write as, let's say in this first example here. So 5.347, that is the first question that is asked. So this can be written as 5347 divided by 1000. Therefore, this is a rational number. It is written as a ratio of integers, so it can be written as a ratio of integers, so it is a rational number. Or the same thing with 2 divided by 5. This is clearly rational because it is written as a ratio of integers. So this is also a rational number. Let's talk about the third case here. This is called this is equal to square root of 2. Now this is a classic number that is not irrational. That means it cannot be written as a ratio of two integers. Not that it is not written right now as a ratio of two integers, just like this 5.347. When it is written like this, it is not written as a ratio of integers, but it can be written as a ratio of integers. So in the case of square root of 2, you can show that it cannot be written as a ratio of integers. We'll make a separate topic on that. So why can square root of 2 or square root of any integer that is not a perfect square cannot be written as a ratio of integers? But that's I guess a digression. So this is irrational because it cannot, not that it is not, but it cannot be written as a ratio of integers. And the fourth example here is square root of 64. Now it is written as a square root of something, so we might be tempted to say that okay, it is an irrational number, but it is not. So square root of 64 is actually equal to 8, which is 8 divided by 1. So therefore it is a rational number.